Okay, all right, here we go. All right, Daniel, so here's how we can go about getting these files right. Congratulations on getting so much together so far. Big work, but you're out there doing it, so it's gonna look beautiful. It's gonna feel beautiful. Enjoy the process. Let the journey to your dream coming true be a fun journey, so you can enjoy it and when it's done. Okay, so let's get this lights file straightened out. You'll need a couple things. I need to send you this file, so I'm gonna send it here to you in a second. It is this one right here. You need this. Okay, so I'm gonna send you this on Facebook as soon as I finish this video, and just, you know, put it in. I'll show you where to put it in. You're gonna take this threaded one here, okay? Copy. So we'll just do a quick copy. And then you're gonna drop that bad boy into the program file of your StepMania. And that you'll just find like in your hard drive, you know, see, you know, wherever yours is at, fine. Go into program. And then, blip, drop that bad boy in there. Okay. All right. The next thing you'll need to do is go to your app data. Now this is a hidden file. Okay. You can type it in manually. You go like c/users/ whatever the name of your sign in is. For me, it's a casual moocow, but it cut it off at a kazoo. So I don't know what yours is going to be, but it's going to be c/users/ whatever your name is /app data. Once you're in there, just hit roaming, and then you're going to go into StepMania 5, and ta-da! Great place to dump off the songs. Take that back. Not a great place to dump off the songs. This is where I used to put the songs. Now I put it just in the actual folder. But anywho, all right, let's stay on task. So let's go back to the roaming one. There we go. So roaming, StepMania 5. You're going to go into save. Okay, save. Right here are your preferences. Okay. So once you're inside preferences, you can play around with a lot of this stuff in here. You know, all those settings we play around with in StepMania itself, a lot of that is in here. The yeses and the nos, the either ors, on or offs are all these ones and zeros. Okay, there's some other things in here too, but and a lot of the stuff I did not play around with. If you have problems with your video driver, you might have to play around with that, but I don't think you will. I hope not, but I didn't. But this would be another place that you may see an issue, maybe, but I doubt it. Because we only had an issue with this when I was using a cheaper computer with a much cheaper video card. Again, I've never had an issue. We haven't had an issue. Like the last time we had an issue with the video driver, again, it was a cheaper computer. It was literally like 2000, what, 14 or something. I don't know. It's been a long time, buddy. So you know, you ain't gonna have no issue with that. But if you have some big video driver issue, it's likely related to this and just needing to get your video drivers updated. But again, I don't think you have an issue. I'm only mentioning it because we passed by it. You're looking for the lights. You're looking for, oh, where you stop in the L's. Lights driver. Okay, ironically, it's like right here. So lights driver right here, you're gonna type in that phrase that I sent you on Facebook. It should be Win32 Minimaid. I'm pulling it up real quick on my phone. Hang on. Yep. So you're gonna type in Win32 Minimaid. Make sure you do this is case sensitive. I think it is. I always did it exactly as I was told. So Win32 Minimaid, and then you'll hit X here and then save. Now I'm not gonna save it because I don't want this thing looking for that driver because I don't have the Minimaid plugged up to it. And once you put that in, it goes looking for the Minimaid. So I don't have the Minimaid plugged in, so I don't need to do that, but you do. Again, you're gonna go app data, just do that manually, roaming, Go Stepmania 5. Go Save. Preferences. Go down to Lights Driver. You're going to go Win 3032 Minimaid. Hit X. Hit Save. Okay. All of that is going to be after or before, just don't start up the program. You have already put this threaded mmmagic inside of your program file of your Stepmania. So it should be in here hanging out with parallel lights and other files. Okay. Now that I think about it, the parallel lights file, see, you know, have just been through a lot with that machine, in a good way, but just been through a lot of different stages. Now that I think about it, this parallel lights thing, because remember I told you the name of the file before was parallel lights. That was before we started playing around with Minimaid. Before we started playing around with Minimaid, we had to do these sort of mods direct to the hard drive, and one of those mods required parallel modification of parallel lights, because we had to use a different mod to change the frequency. It was called like Soft 32 or something like that. We had to change the frequency that the monitor was inputting or outputting. It was something crazy. It was something crazy, dude. It was just something wild. So anywho, there's been a bunch of little itty bitty steps leading up to that Minimaid, and I think parallel lights was related to those other steps. All you need for this is mmmagic, which I'm about to send you. Drop it off in your, games, Stepmania 5, or wherever your Stepmania 5 is, programs, and then, just drop it into there. And then after you're done with that, you're going to go to that hidden file, okay, app data, roaming, Stepmania 5, what is this, save, preferences, and then change that manually. And by that, I mean lights driver, you're going to change that manually to Win32 Minimaid. Okay, rewind the video to see the caps and all that. Alrighty, that should do it for you on the lights. Let me know if that's helpful, and I'll see you later.